Today I'm going to be unboxing these watercolor portraits by Winsor and Newton and Artist Loft. I got this from Michael's. It is a 12 pan set here. I typically generally like Artist Loft paints. They're pretty good. So excited to try these. The Winsor and Newton, that is 8 pieces. So this is the, put this out of the way for now. This is the Artist Loft. Okay, 12 unboxing. So it comes with this here. All that. Because you can use this to hold it if you're using the set. So it's a tin case. Portrait tone colors. Okay. So these are the 12 colors that come with it. Excuse me. So there's lamp black, light apricot, mid brown, honey beige, peach, pale terracotta, Indian red, sapphire, light umber, gold, raw sienna, Van Dyke brown. Oh, okay, so it looks like it kind of moved around a little bit, but everything is here. So this is what this kit looks like. It's very nice. Moving on to the Winsor and Newton. I'm not sure why, but these boxes are a little bit hard to like open. This one is 8 colors compared to the other one. So let's see. Like it's in here, so it's kind of like hard to take that out without like tearing the thing here. Yeah, I can't do this one, so I have to kind of like, the other one I was able to do, but this one it just won't budge. So okay, so got that open. Ordered this one on Amazon. I will be using both of them later to compare what the colors look like, but I'm going to actually really like the Winsor & Newton a lot paints, and also I like the Artist Loft. I haven't really tried Artist Loft watercolor, but I like Artist Loft paint and products in general. So this one just has 8 colors. It's a Cotman watercolor portrait pocket set. Oh, okay, just open it like this. So this comes with a little brush. I have a travel Winsor & Newton set that has a very similar little like brush thing with it. So can you use this for mixing the colors? So yeah, these are the colors that it comes with. And this is actually a sticker, it looks like. So these colors, let's see. Okay, so these colors are burnt sienna, cadmium yellow, burnt umber, cadmium red hue, indigo, rose madder hue, Chinese white, and some sort of like yellow. So this one has more like vibrant colors to it. Just gonna open the two of them. So this is the Artist Loft here. Artist Loft, and this is the Winsor Newton sets. This one has more like earth tones to it. It seems like there's no direct like red compared to this one. It has like red, so there are a few colors in common here. Let's see what they both have. They both have a sienna. They both, let's see. Yeah, so they both have a sienna. Artist Loft has a raw sienna, and Winsor Newton has a burnt sienna. This one has white. Winsor Newton has white, but there's no white in the Artist Loft set. Let's see what else they have here in common. They both have an umber. So Winsor Newton has a burnt umber, and the Artist Loft has a light umber. So it seems like the colors here are more darker. I don't know. Because like burnt, this one has raw sienna, light umber. Okay, so the Winsor Newton has no black. Artist Loft has a black. This one has more like peach colors. I can see coming in handy for definitely different skin types and tones. You can see with this one here, it has like an indigo, like realistically. I mean, I like the set, but realistically it has like, I guess like blue. I guess that's something the person chose, but I will be doing paintings with both of these and also making some sample colors with this to show what they look like used. Thanks for watching this review unboxing.